Do you know why refrigerated shipping containers are not so commonly used to build container homes? If you know the answer, kindly share your opinion in the comment section below. In this video, we bring to you this calm, stylish villa dubbed the Zodiaco Suites. These 3 Zodiaco Suites are built using refrigerated shipping containers and are designed to be functional, eco-friendly, and chic. Each unit is fitted with a well-crafted front door that welcomes you to a home that is so unique and fitted with contemporary finishes and highlighted in an industrial yet comforting open layout. Each unit is fitted with a kitchen stocked with all your cooking staples, including all the appliances. The kitchen is also fitted with concrete worktops, which serve as the home's dining area or workstation. Of the kitchen, every unit is fitted with a spacious master bedroom that features a comfortable queen bed and a pull-out trundle twin bed and built-in cabinets that provide plenty of space for your luggage and clothing. From the bedroom, there is an indoor open-air bathroom that features a shower cubicle, a toilet, a wash and basin. The entire suite has polished concrete floors and adjustable air conditioning services to keep the house cool and comfortable throughout, including those warm nights. This amazing house embraces the industrial finishes of this building. Some parts of the house reveal the exposed corrugated stainless steel finish of the reefer containers to bring out the industrial vibe of the design. All the 3 units share a 5-deep pool and grill area. The roof provides lots of shade from the strong sun and dry space of the outdoor space during the heavy rains. The exterior of the cabin is covered with wood, creating a nice contemporary finish. Which part of this amazing container cabin appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. This amazing container cabin is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.